Imagine you've just walked into the interview room for your dream job. You're nervous, but you've prepared well. Suddenly, the interviewer asks you a hypothetical question that catches you off guard. What would you do if you won the lottery? How could you answer this question correctly in English? Today, we're diving into the world of unreal situations using the second and third conditionals. Welcome back to ESL Booster, where we help you elevate your English skills. In our previous lesson, we explored zero and first conditionals. If you missed it, don't worry. You can catch up by watching the video linked here for you. Now, let's learn about another pair of conditionals, the second and third conditionals. Similar to the zero and first, unreal conditionals also consist of two parts, the condition and the result. However, unlike zero and first conditionals, which talk about real situations, second and third conditionals deal with hypothetical or unreal situations. Second conditional describes unreal or imaginary present or future situations. It's used to imagine life is different, things that are impossible in the present or unlikely to happen in the future. Ask hypothetical questions and give advice. Third conditional describes unreal or imaginary past situations. We use it to talk about regrets and disappointments, or express a desire to change something about the past. Let's take a closer look at the verb tenses used in second and third conditionals. In second conditional, we use the simple past tense in the condition clause and would plus base form of the verb in the result clause. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. This is a hypothetical future situation that most likely won't come true. In third conditional, we use the past perfect tense in the condition clause and would have plus past participle in the result clause. For instance, if I had won the lottery, I would have bought a house. This is a hypothetical past situation. In the reality, I did not buy a house because I hadn't won the lottery. If only. Let's see a few more examples. If I were you, I would travel the world. If she had more time, she would learn to play the guitar. If I had known you were coming, I would have prepared dinner. If they hadn't missed the bus, they would have arrived on time. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. I'll show you 3 scenarios, and you have to complete the sentences using the correct conditional. Make sure you pause the video if you need more time to think. Great job! Practice makes perfect, so don't worry if you missed any. Let's sum up today's lesson. Second conditional describes unreal present or future situations, while third conditional talks about past situations. You can always come back and rewatch this video if you are unsure about the forms used in these conditionals. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master the unreal conditionals. Before you go, please leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to ESL Booster for more exciting lessons. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shining bright. See you soon!